Hello, Bacho. Let's see the question. Which of these statements is true? Options A. Biodiversity tends to increase as you get closer to the equator. Option B. Tropical regions of Earth contain very few of the world's large land species. Option C. Coral reefs tend to be less biologically diverse than temperate deciduous forests. Option D. Cold climates have greater amount of biodiversity than warm climates. So here they have asked us that which statement given about diversity is true. So to know that, let us discuss one by one options given here. So first one, biodiversity tends to increase as you get closer to the equator. So this is the true statement because as we go from as we move from polar ends to equator, we can see the biodiversity increasing. So because the climatic changes, we can see that in the polar ends, it is a critical low temperature climate where the organisms cannot survive that easily. But in the equator region it has all uh, homostatic conditions which are helpful for the survival of organisms. So we have more diversity in equator region. So this statement is true. And the second statement, tropic region of Earth contain very few of the world's land species. So this statement is false because tropic region of the Earth is the region which is closer to equator. So here we have all homostatic conditions, so which are homeo, homeostatic conditions are available here. So the climate and the temperature, the humidity, whatever, all the requirements for a living organism are provided here near the equator region, that is tropical region. So the land species we have here are very high than other regions. So in the given option, they said we are not having high land species, but we do have high land species in tropical region. So this statement is false. And this third statement is coral reefs tend to be less biologically diverse than temperate deciduous forest. So this statement is also false because कोरल रीफ्स जो है वो बहुत ही बड़ी बायोडाइवर्सिटी दिखाती है. So they said it shows less biodiversity, but in fact in real वो कोरल रीफ्स जो है बहुत ही बड़ी बायोडाइवर्सिटी दिखाती है. deciduous फॉरेस्ट से ज्यादा भी दिखाती है. So इस स्टेटमेंट फॉल्स है. Option D, cold climate have greater amount of biodiversity than warm climate. जो cold climate होता है बहुत ही अनफेवरेबल कंडीशन होती है. कोल्ड क्लाइमेट की एग्जाम्पल की तरह हम पोलर एंड्स देखेंगे तो पोलर रीजन्स. सो वहाँ पे बायोडाइवर्सिटी बहुत ही कम होती है. Only special species can survive there. So biodiversity is less. Whereas in warm climates like tropic region or like in the region closer to the equator, we have biodiversity very high. Because here all the homeostatic conditions needed for the organism to survive are provided. So tropical regions, that are warm regions, have high diversity, whereas cool climatic conditions have low biodiversity. So they have given in reverse in the statement. So this statement is also false. So in the given options, Option A has the correct statement. It states that biodiversity tends to increase as you get closer to the equator, which is true. As we get closer to the equator from polar regions, we can see the biodiversity increasing. I hope you understood well. All the best.